Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. 9 divided by 3 times 9 divided by 3. First of all, we will solve it. So 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. So 9 divided by 3 times 3, it is equal to 9. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1, hence 1 will be our answer, but it is wrong solution. Now come to correct approach. It will be, first of all, we have to solve parentheses. So 9 divided by 3. Here is no sign, so we will put here sign of multiplication. So parentheses have 9 divided by 3, so 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, question in our mind arises that either we have to solve division first or multiplication first. According to PEMDAS rule, as division is at left and multiplication is at right, so we have to move from left to right. So we have to divide first. So 9 divided by 3 will be equal to 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 will be equal to 9, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching.